Alright guys, so moving on, we're now dealing with solving simple rational equations. So again, this is very similar to multiplying, dividing, and simplifying rational expressions. Okay, so if we look at a rational equation, the first thing we're going to want to do in order to solve it is we're going to want to factor it. Okay, so if I look to the left, I can definitely factor, right? On the numerator here, I have x squared minus 9. Again, that's going to be a difference of 2 squares. I can rewrite that as x plus 3 and x minus 3, right? And on my denominator, I have x plus 3, and then I have this equal to 7. Okay, so same thing, okay, when we were dividing and multiplying and simplifying down these rational expressions, we looked for a common factor on both the top and the bottom, and then we were able to cancel it out. Well, we're going to do the same thing here. I have an x plus 3 and an x plus 3 on both the top and the bottom, so that means I can cancel it out. And what I'm going to be left with here is x minus 3 equal to 7. And now this is very simple to solve, right? All I have to do is add 3 on both sides here, and x is going to equal 10. Okay, so your answer here is 10. Right, so x equals 10. All right, let's try another example. So dealing with another rational expression, we could have x squared minus 7x minus 4, and this will all be over, and let's do x minus 1. This will be equal to, let's do 5. And let's make sure I wrote this correctly. So actually, let's change this to 3. X squared plus 3x. Alright, so let's go ahead and use that. So we're going to do the same thing here. So I look to the left, right? Can I factor? Well, yes, I can factor the numerator here, right? And if you can't see this yet, right, it's okay, you can go back to using the AC method, right? So let's just keep using that. So if I do A times C here, A times C, I get 1 times negative 4, which is negative 4. What two numbers when I multiply are going to be negative 4, but add up to positive 3? Well, that will be 4 and negative 1, right? My A value is equal to 1, so I can put it right into factored form. So on the top now, I have x plus 4, right? And then x minus 1. And then I have this all over x minus 1 equal to 5. Now look for a common factor on the top and bottom that we can cancel out. Well, that's going to be x minus 1. That cancels. We now have x plus 4 equal to 5. Last step, you want to subtract 4 on both sides. So x here is going to be equal to 1. Okay, and that's it. So that's solving simple rational equations.